Hey guys, welcome to Collins Tech. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Infinix Hot 8. Without wasting much time, let's get to the video. Looking at the device, we are greeted with a 6.6-inch IPS Infinity TV display with a 20 to 9 aspect ratio and an 8 megapixel selfie camera and front-facing flash. At the back of the device, we have a glossy plastic finish, a fingerprint sensor, a camera module hosting a 13MP primary sensor for taking wide-angle images, a 2 megapixel depth sensor, and a QVGA sensor for taking images in low light. And at the lower end of the device, we have the Infinix branding. In the box, we have the SIM ejector tool, the device manual, X Club registration process, and the plastic case. And the case is really flexible. We also have the charging adapter. Earphones, and the micro USB cable. Over to the edge of the device. At the top there is nothing there. At the right side we have the volume rocker keys and a textured power button. At the bottom of the device we have the 3.5mm headphone jack, a micro USB port, and a microphone and speaker grille. Talking about the software, the Infinix Hot 8 comes with the Android 9 Pie on top of Infinix XOS Cheetah, 2GB RAM and 32GB internal storage, expandable to 256GB with a micro USB card, and an octa-core processor. This device comes with 4G LTE. And a massive 5000 mAh battery and fast charging. Infinix claims that this device has a 4 days battery life. The device took about 5 minutes to set up. The Infinix Hot 8 price in Nigeria starts at 37,000 naira for the model with the 2GB RAM, 41,000 naira for the model with the 3GB RAM, and 47,000 naira for the model with the 4GB RAM and 64GB internal memory. Please do let me know what your thoughts are on the Infinix Hot 8 in the comment section below. And if you like this video, please don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of my new videos. Thank you for watching.